Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Hub. If you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the new notifications. So today we are starting with filtering data. Now what is filtering data? If we want to find a particular record, particular data, okay, for that we have to use filter. We have to use filter in our data. Like we have 100 students in our class. हमारे पास 100 स्टूडेंट्स है क्लास में और हमें सिर्फ 5 और 6 स्टूडेंट्स का डाटा देखना है, बाकी का डाटा नहीं देखना है. एट द टाइम वी कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट दैट मच डाटा फ्रॉम द टेबल and that is known as filtering data. Now how to filter the data? Let us see. Again, for that you have to make table. Here we have made table, you can see on the screen. First thing is you have to select the table, or you can select a particular cell that you want. Okay, after selecting that we have to click on data tab from the ribbon. After clicking on data tab, here one option is there, filter. So you have to click on filter. After clicking on filter, you can see like this arrows will come in each and every column, and these are known as filter. Like this filter will appear. Now suppose I want to sort or I want to filter my data according to maths. So I will click here on this arrow. After clicking on this arrow, like this one list will appear. Okay, one list will appear, drop down list will appear. From here you can see all the numbers are there, 71, 79. Okay, all the marks of students are there. So whichever data you want to see. Suppose I want to see only the marks of that student who has got 71 marks. So here I will put one tick. You can see here I will put one tick, and from all these check boxes I will remove the tick, because only I want to see the marks of a particular student who has got 71 marks. After this we have to click on this OK. After clicking on OK, you can see our data will be filtered according to that. You can see the data of Somya, and she has got 71 marks. Now one more method is there to filter the data, that is custom filter. Now how to use custom filter? Okay, for that you have to select the cell, or you can select the table as you wish. After selecting that you have to click on data tab. After clicking on data tab you have to click on filter. After clicking filter, already I have told like this arrows will appear. Arrows will appear in front of each and every column. So suppose I want to sort according to the maths marks, okay, or English marks, it is your wish. Suppose I want to sort according to maths marks. After this, instead of using from here, in case of custom filter we have to click on number filters. Then here again in this list different options are there, that exactly you want to see the marks of that student who has got 95 or 71. Suppose I want to see who has got 71 marks in maths. So in that case I will use equal option from here. After clicking the equal option, like this one dialog box will appear on your screen. So here you can mention 71. Okay, after this you have to click on OK. After clicking on OK, according to that your data will be filtered. This is filtering data, means जो भी हम exact information चाहते हैं अपने पूरी टेबल में से देखना, वो हम देख सकते हैं.